What's up, guys? I'm getting a haircut right now by my boy Mario, but he's camera shy, so I'm not really seeing you guys in a while. He came in the camera. He finally came in. But if you haven't been to this, come check out this guy. You know, Mario. His shop is located on 18th Avenue and Bath Ave, right in front of the bus stop. Check him out.
You here?
Heading to Highline with these cats.
Yo, what's good?
Oh, last time I was there, this happened.
Trying to get the money, but I'm trying to keep late, motherfucker. I'm not well, I'm not myself, I'm not healthy, I don't want you to help me, I don't want you
Alright, I'm here tonight for this girl's birthday. Hey,
Hi.
happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
She had your twin. Oh, cool. You want to be my vlog? As you can see, it's not set up like last time, but it's still going to be a good night. Those two girls, they're actually twins, so the birthday is on the birthday. Hey, girls. Too early for that. It's too early. It's a fucking bottle ride. Alright, so you know this girl I introduced you? This is your twin! Happy birthday, guys! Starting to blizzard and shit like that, yo. It's gonna snow so much. Trains not even running. Terrible. I got out of work early. I did like 3 hours. The school closed at 4, stayed till 6. Walking to the train right now. Hopefully this train's go back home. I don't want to be stuck. It's gonna be bad. Yes, there's a train. It's not that bad after all. They said it was gonna snow like a couple of feet, and you just get inches. It's not that bad, and if you dress properly, it's not that cold either. It's just kind of like ghost town right now, but it'll be all right. Yeah, so I'm back at the doctor's again to check up on my finger. As you know, I got the mallet finger. It sucks. Hopefully I can take off the splint, and hopefully it's healed. So that was a quick visit. There's nothing that doctor could do. He told me to go see an orthopedic, and that's what I'm gonna do. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.